Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 292. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. And that 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 4, 9. No help here, 2, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 9. We've got 5 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 9, 5. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 9 here, so 4, 6. 2, 9, and 6 here. So this is our 4, and that makes this our 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering this box and a 7 covering this box, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 4. 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. Got the 7 here, so 3, 9. 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9, and the 8 can't be here, so it must be here. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 9, 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. That 4 makes us our 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.